My favorite Halloween costume was me, my sister, and my dad dressing up as Scooby-Doo.
My favorite Halloween costume growing up was an M&M costume that my mom handmade for me.
I think it was like a Sweethearts like little thing. Yeah.
My favorite Halloween costume as a kid is a soccer zombie.
My favorite Halloween costume as a kid was probably a bumblebee.
My favorite Halloween costume as a kid was probably in 2nd grade. I was a punk rocker and my parents did my hair up in a pink mohawk.
My favorite Halloween costume as a kid was a doctor.
My favorite Halloween costume as a kid was probably a zombie soccer player.